In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change the text color in WordPress. There are lots of reasons why you might want to change the text color in your posts or pages. Maybe you'd like to emphasize a keyword, or perhaps you want to use colored subheadings on a particular page. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the text color in WordPress posts and pages. So the first method is by using the WordPress post editor. So just open a post. I'll edit this one. And now, when you click on a block, on the right-hand side under Block Settings, go to Color Settings, and here you have options to change the text color and background color. Changing the text color will change the text color in all your blocks. And you can change the background color from here. You can click on Custom Color to add the color code of a specific color you want. If you want to change the color of some text only on your post, you can do that too. Just select the text you want to change the color of. Then click here on this icon. And click on Text Color. And select the color from here. And you can see that the color of only the highlighted text is changed. Now, what if you want to change the text color across your entire website? Many of the best WordPress themes will allow you to do this using the Theme Customizer. So, back in your dashboard, go to Appearance, and then click on Customize. You need to look for the typography section, but your theme may not have this option, just like my theme doesn't have that. At times like this, you can add some custom CSS. Just click on Additional CSS and paste this CSS code here. I'll put it in the description below. And as you can see in the preview, the text color of the entire website changes. You can change the color by adding the color code here like this. And that's it. This is how you can change the text color in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.